Hey you guys, I hope you're doing well. So today is Tuesday and we are finally back at CVS for the start of a brand new 2-week ad. There was the crazy winter storm here in Central Texas and the roads were completely covered with snow and ice on Sunday and Monday. So finally today on Tuesday, it's above melting and I'm finally able to safely get in store at CVS. And I'm really excited because I feel like this week's actually underrated. There's quite a few good things going on that I want to show you guys. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. The big canisters of Lysol wipes are buy one, get one free this week, and they're also buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab the dual action ones that are the cheapest at $10.99 and use $1 off one digital coupon, and you'll end up paying $9.99, earning back that $3 extra buck, and that'll make two of them just $6.99. The same deal applies to the Finish 11 count. They're $9.99 and buy one, get one free, so grab two of them, and you can use a $2 digital coupon. You'd pay $7.99, earn back the $3 extra buck, making two of them just $4.99 or $2.49 each. The Lysol toilet bowl cleaners are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So grab two totaling $6.43, and you can use the 75-cent digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $5.68, and after the $3 extra buck back, it would make two of them $2.68. The large size of the Purex detergent are on sale for $9.99 and buy one, get back a $4 extra buck. So that makes it just $5.99, and check if you have a $1.50 Ibotta rebate. That'll make it just $4.49. The Febreze sprays are on sale for 20% off, so that makes them just $3.99 at my store, and we do have a $2 digital coupon. So that'll make one of them just $1.99, and these are also included in the Spend 30 Get 10 deal this week. Speaking of the Spend 30 Get 10 deal, here's a scenario that you can do with the Big Downy Rinse and Refresh on sale for $13.49, the Tide Pods on sale for $13.49, and the Febreze on sale for $3.99, totaling $30.97. We do have a $3 digital coupon for the Downy, we have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide, and a $2 for the Febreze. You'd be left to pay $22.97, earning back the $10 extra buck for spending $30 before coupons, which would make all three products just $12.97. The all detergent are on sale for $4.99 and buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab one of the liquid and one of the pods totaling $9.98. You would pay that, get back your $4 extra buck, making two of them just $5.98 or $2.99 each. And then check Ibotta if you still have the $1.50 Ibotta rebates for each of the liquid and the pods. After getting back $3 from Ibotta, if you still have those, it would make both of the detergents just $2.98. Okay, check the deodorant aisle for clearance. There's a lot of clearance right now, like the Secret Clinical. I was really excited to see this. The Secret Clinical was marked as low as like 60 to 75% off at my store. I did scan the Secret Clinical unscented, and they're actually ringing up for $4.99, so you can grab two totaling $9.98 and use a 7 off 2 digital, making two of them just $2.98, so I'm definitely picking these up. In the travel size section, the CVS Health mouthwash are $2.39, and we do have a $1.50 Ibotta rebate of a limit of one. So you can grab one of them for 89¢, and you can also grab the CVS toothbrushes that are $1.09. We have a $1 rebate, making them just 9¢. I will have Ibotta linked in the description box and the pinned comment if you guys are not already signed up to get a $5 bonus. The Crest toothpaste are on sale for $4.99 each for the bigger ones. You can grab two totaling $9.98, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $5.98, earning back a $4 extra buck on two, making two of them $1.98. Schick razors are spend 20, get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab one of the women's Hydro Silk at $13.49 and one of the men's Schick at $13.49, totaling $26.98, and use a 5 off 25 Schick CRT. We also have a $3 digital for the women's and a $3 digital for the men's. So you'd be left to pay $15.98, earning back your $10 extra buck, and that'd make your final cost for both razors just $5.98 for both, or $2.99 each, which is a good deal. The Garnier Fructis hair care are on sale for two for $9 and buy two, get back a $5 extra buck. So what you want to do is actually grab three of these. Two would be 2 for $9, and then the third one would be regular price at $5.59. So three would total $14.59, and you can use a 5 off 3 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $9.59, and then you'll earn back that $5 extra buck, making all three of the Garnier Fructis hair care products just $4.59. Dove hand soap is buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. So grab two at $5.39, totaling $8.08, and use a $2 off one digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $6.08, earning back your $4 extra buck for buying two, makes both of them just $2.08. The soft soap hand soap is $2.49 and buy two, get back a $2 extra buck. So that makes both of them buying 2 of these after getting back that $2 extra buck, just $1.49 each. And the exact same deal applies to the Irish Spring 3-count bar soap, which I think is personally the better deal. $2.49 and buy 2 get back a $2 extra buck, making each 3-pack just $1.49. Nivea lotion is buy 2 get back a $7 extra buck, so you can grab 2 of the small bottles at $6.79, totaling $13.58, and use a $2 digital, and you'll be left to pay $11.58. And after the $7 extra buck back, it makes 2 of them just $4.58. Aquaphor and Eucerin are spend 20 get back a $10 extra buck, so you can grab this Eucerin 5 ounce at $7.79, and then pair with that the Aquaphor Healing Ointment at $12.49. So these 2 items would total $20.28, and then you can use a $3 digital coupon for the Eucerin, and we also have a separate $3 digital for the Aquaphor. You'd be left to pay $14.28, earning back your $10 extra buck, makes both products just $4.28. Aveeno lotion is buy 1 get 1 50% off, and buy 2 get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of these lotions at $11.59, totaling $17.38, and use a 5 off 2 digital. You'd be left to pay $12.38, earning back your $5 extra buck, makes 2 of these $7.38. This CoverGirl Professional Mascara is $7.79, and we do have a $4 CRT, and we have a $2 digital coupon. So after those 2 stacking, you'd pay just $1.79 for this item. The 21-count Neutrogena makeup remover wipes in the makeup aisle are sold out at my store, but they're $6.59. And this week, Neutrogena makeup is spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of them, totaling $13.18, and use a $3 digital coupon that we have that's attaching. You'd be left to pay $10.18, earning back that $5 extra buck, and that would make 2 of them just $5.18. Another Neutrogena makeup remover wipe deal that my store is also sold out of is the 25 count, $6.99, and buy 2 get back a $7 extra buck. So grab 2 totaling $13.98 and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $9.98, earning back that $7 extra buck, and that's going to make 2 packs just $2.98. That is definitely a better deal than the makeup remover wipe deal in the makeup section, the 21 count. Aveeno Facial Care is buy 2 get back a $5 extra buck, so you can grab 2 of the daily moisturizing cleansers at $8.79. 2 of those would total $17.58, and use a 5 off 2 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $12.58, earning back the $5 extra buck, makes 2 of these $7.58. Okay, the Neutrogena Facial Care is spend 25, get back an $8 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of the Neutrogena Lip Mask at $13.49. 2 of those would total $26.98, and we do have 2 separate $5 digital coupons that we can use for each one. So you'd be left to pay $16.98, earning back your $8 extra buck, and that would make 2 of these just $8.98. But then you can also submit for the Activate Rewards rebate for the new year. It's spend 20, get back a $5 Activate Rewards Visa gift card. So since you're at above 25, you'd get back that $5 Visa gift card, making 2 of these just $3.98 or $1.99 each. I will have that Activate Rewards linked in the description box down below. And if you pair this deal in with a different Aveeno or Neutrogena deal, then you could even submit for the spend 30, get back a $10 Visa virtual reward. Cetaphil products are spend 20, get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of these skincare items in my store. The cheapest ones are $11.79. So 2 would total $23.58, and we do have a $4 digital and a separate $3 digital, so that would take off $7. You'd be left to pay $16.58, earning back your $10 extra buck, and that would make both products just $6.58. Another way that you could do the deal is like grabbing this SPF 50 sunscreen at $19.99 with the 98% rule. You would still get back your $10 extra buck. You could use the $4 digital for this item, and you'd pay $15.99, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $3 back, and you'll get back your $10 extra buck, and that would make this item just $2.99. We did get a $5 CRT on L'Oreal Facial Care, so you could use on the toner that's $8.59, and that would make this just $3.59 after the CRT. L'Oreal Facial Care is spend 45, get back a $20 extra buck. So you can grab this Midnight Serum at $46.49, use a 5 off 25 L'Oreal CRT and the $5 Instant CRT, and you'd pay $36.49. And after the $20 extra buck, it would make it just $16.49. CeraVe products are buy 1, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab this bar at $8.79. You pay that, and after the $5 extra buck back, it would make it just $3.79. We do have a gift card promotion for spend 50 and get back a $10 extra buck. Included brands are Lowe's, Under Armour, Chili's, the Spa gift card, JCPenney, and more. Just check which ones are tagged at your store. So if you like any of those brands, it's a good way to earn some extra bucks. We do still have a $2 rebate on CVS pill cases. Included is this heavy duty one at $2.49. So after the $2 Ibotta rebate back, that would make this just 49 cents, which is a great deal. And check if your store has the cheaper ones because some of the cheaper ones are also attaching to the $2 rebate. Okay, getting into my transactions this week. For this first one, I did the Cetaphil deal. So I used my $4 and $3 digital coupon. I used $13 in extra bucks, and then I had a $3.38 subtotal. So in total, I spent out $16.58, earned back my $10 extra buck, making this a net cost of just $6.58. And then I'm going to use this $10 extra buck to roll into my next transaction. In this next transaction, for transaction 2, I did the Irish Spring and the Dove deal, used my $2 digital for the Dove, $10 extra buck from the previous transaction, paid $1.06 out of pocket, and then earned back $6 in extra bucks. So spent out only $1.06 and a net cost of $5.06. Okay, in third transaction, I did the Finish deal, used my $2 digital coupon and the $6 in extra bucks from the previous transaction. I paid $1.99 and then earned back my $3 extra buck for buying 2 Finish items that I'm going to roll into my last transaction, which is some Ibotta rebates. And for my last transaction for rolling extra bucks, I did the travel size CVS Health oral care items. So I did the mouthwash and the toothbrush. I paid $3.48, earned back $2.50 on Ibotta, making this transaction just 98 cents for both items. And finally, I did this transaction on a separate card. So I did the Clearance Secret, the Dove deal again, and then the CVS pill case. I used a $10 extra buck that I already had to pay, and then I had about $1 subtotal, so $11 out of pocket, got back a $4 extra buck for the Dove deal, and then submitted to Ibotta for $2 back on the CVS pill case. So spent out $11, got back $6, making this transaction just a net cost of $5, which is amazing for the secret deodorants. I really hope you guys enjoyed the CVS deals video. If you did, definitely leave this video a like and a comment. Let me know what your favorite deal was of the week, and I will catch you guys in next week's deals video.